Okay, in this case, you have been indicted for the state jail felony of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle in 25 CR 780. If convicted of such a thing, it carries with it up to 2 years in the state jail. And here, put your down in there. Feel like I'm in school now.
Right.
Langston's mother would get you on that, being the educator she is. And anyway, it carries with it up to 2 years in the state jail, which is serious, and it's a state jail. It's a felony offense. You've never been convicted of a felony before. You don't want it. You know how long that straddles your back the rest of your life. So it needs to get fixed, and he can do it. He can help you. How much time do you need? 4 weeks?
4 weeks ago.
Okay. Get a resetting there.
Thank you, Judge.
Get a resetting right here, sir. Thank you.
I'll meet you outside.
Paris
He's here.
Ross.
Someone is Ross. He is here, Judge.
Got it.
Yeah.
Mr. Pacquiao, you got to come here outside.
Let's see. What are you wearing? Let me ask you this. Would you wear that to church? Would you wear it to church? Maybe you would. But this is, look at everybody. Everybody's got it. All the men have ties and the ladies are dressed. This is a place of honor. We're talking about the Constitution.
Yes, sir.
It has its reverence and its humility and its integrity. You don't have to wear a tie or anything, but just not a bright T-shirt that's got some kind of a message on it. I can't even read that. What's that saying? Does that say something up there?
Godspeed.
Godspeed. Uh-huh. What's down below? Let me see. It's a car, vehicle. What is it? Oh, it's getting gas. It's a gas guzzler, I guess. It's a gas guzzler. Looks like a Datsun or a foreign car, sports car. All right. Just dress decently. Yeah. All right. You are charged with some serious offenses here. In 25 CR 381, you were charged with the second-degree felony of fraudulent possession or use of credit or debit cards. If convicted, this carries with it up to 20 years in prison. 25 CR 382 is not much less of a serious felony either. It alleges that you committed the third-degree felony of forgery. Looks like it must have been at the same in the same episode.
Yes, sir.
They carved out two crimes. Third-degree felony carries with it up to 10 years in prison if convicted. So you're looking at up to 30 years in prison if found guilty on these cases. This is an admission.
Yes, sir. I just want a little bit more announcement.
4 weeks good on this one too.
Be good.
I don't see a criminal history here, right? You don't have a criminal history?
Yes.
Do you have felony? You have a felony in this county?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm not from Texas, Austin.
I see you're at Atlanta, Georgia.
Yes, sir.
That's that you need to navigate through that. Whatever your convictions are in Texas, you lose opportunities for probation if you've been convicted of a felony before, depending upon the circumstances. He's a smart guy. He knows how to navigate through all of this. 4 weeks.
That'll work.
Okay. Please get a reset. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes. Sir.
We'll go outside. Yes, and we will.
I don't see Mr. Grove. James Paget, are you ready? Are you working on something?
No, I'm not. I have a Kia Ballard. I actually have 2 cases on your dockets.
Kia Ballard or Bilal?
We'll see. Thank you.
I don't.
Kia Ballard.
It should be in the hallway.
Okay. Oh. That's let's see. Who's the lawyer on? I don't see
See one either, Judge. I don't think one to this time yet. It's
Really?
I want to say it might.
Nobody wants to prosecute this, I guess.
I'll have my motion filed.
That's, you got it, buddy. You don't need to write anything. Just tell me.
I can make an oral motion?
Yeah, it's good enough for government work.
Well, I know there's something, well, never mind. Stop right there.
Okay. Kia Ballard or Ballard.
Look at you, Stelly. Judge, look,
What
that's
happened?
very honorable. He's just stepping up.
It looks like he's the American flag too, by the way. Yeah, you see?
right there.
He's got the flag on you.
He'll keep
He's waving the flag.
How are you?
Good
seeing you.
seeing
Kia Ballard.
Hiya, Ballard.
Kia Ballard.
Hiya.
Kaya Ballard.
Yes.
Miss Mel. That's what I do it that way. I don't mess it up.
The name is a bit tricky.
You are indicted here in 23-41367 with the state jail felony of abandoning or endangering a child, which if convicted carries with it up to 2 years in the state jail, and it's a felony, which you don't want.
Yes, sir.
That a felony conviction you have to carry with you the rest of your life. So that closes a lot of doors of opportunities and privileges that you don't want to close.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pageant, very good lawyer, and he knows how to help people. What are we going to do today?
Here's where our issue comes in, Your Honor. It looks to me like this is an extremely old case. So, this is my first appearance.
You won't believe this, but I got some in the 20s.
I do understand that.
20s, so
she hired me just a short time ago. I filed the proper documentation.
2.5 years.
Right.
She was
But
just around.
as soon as she hired me, I filed all the documentation. I filed on 7/12 my letter of rep. I'm in the process now of reviewing the body camera footage and the dash camera footage.
What is your address?
Mine?
Yes.
2680 Norris Street, Beaumont, Texas.
See, generally, when we have an issue like this, the address, they've moved from the address that was given at the beginning, but
You're not
she
in
didn't.
trouble. He's just making an observation.
She didn't. I mean, this is the same address. I wonder this was indicted in January of 23.
Your Honor, I can only speak from like 7/12.
When did you receive a copy of this? Do you remember of the indictment? When did you find out you were indicted? Recently?
When I went to jail,
When was that?
March. I was about to say March, I believe.
This year?
Mm-hmm.
Wonder why it took.
I didn't even know when I got pulled over.
That's your
even know I had
address. They normal, and it was indicted in 23.
Because I remember when I went to jail, I got out on accusation, and then I never heard nothing about them picking it back up. So I just assumed it.
You mean, okay, that was originally,
Mm-hmm.
that was in 23?
2022.
2022.
Yeah, the end of September 2022.
September 22. I don't know what happened on that. That's weird.
So I'm working diligently
From the beginning, you're starting.
and well, it won't take me. If you would give us
Sure.
30 days, I'll be ready.
About
I have
5
an offer
weeks.
from the state
5
already.
weeks.
Whatever pleases.
All right.
you.
You got 5
Yeah,
weeks?
we're moving at a good pace on the case. And I have an offer.
Have you been convicted of anything before, man?
She has not.
Nothing.
Now, she does have failure ID out of the same transaction, which I'm going to step down to the involved shortly.
Well, again, that's fixable.
Understand.
We've offered deferred, Your Honor, so we'll see what they have to say, and they may work it out. So,
Okay. Good, because you don't want a conviction, felony conviction.
I really don't.
Yeah, there's a way.
Get in the medical field.
Oh, good for you.
Yes.
Good for you. My daughter is
Yes.
manages hospitals, and
Oh yeah, that's what I want.
you
To start
help
out as an
people.
RN.
You help people. Yeah. Are you an RN?
I want to start out as one. I don't want to.
Where are you in your medical field?
I'm
In
not
the nursing?
yet.
Oh, you hadn't started?
Get there,
Well,
but
one step at a
finish
time,
this
and you get
first.
there.
Yes.
In the right direction.
Yes, sir.
Well, you know. Okay, good for you. Okay, please get a resetting from that lady.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Quinteller Matthews. So, how long did it take to get? How long does it take to get a welder's certificate? I guess it's a certificate, right?
Right. I actually was doing it in job corps, and it was supposed to take me maybe like a year. It wasn't supposed to take me that long. It was really a self-paced
Wow.
program, but
But you start out as an apprentice,
right, you start
and
off.
then before you become a.
Sarah,
whatever, what's the highest level on welding?
I'm not. I'm still studying.
Journeyman,
myself.
I guess.
Yeah, I'm still studying myself. I started off doing the cut. Like,
Why did you decide welding?
welding. I mean, because I was going through the programs to see exactly what it was, and how much everything was paying. I was about money back then, so I kind of just, well, it sounded like some good money. Let me try it.
Well,
And I actually tried it and liked it. So
okay. Well, it's a trade. You can also, when you're not at work, you can be welding at home and doing things, making things too. That's for your own personal.
right, I just got to get all the welding machine and everything so I can stay
Something like that.
practice.
What's a welding machine cost?
About
About thousands.
You know, they usually.
Well, it's got to be a bulky thing. It's got to be made well. So
Yeah, they're really expensive.
yes, sir.
So, right now.
Well, you got a plan. Most people come in here, they don't have plans. You got a plan, a dream, follow it, make it happen. Then you're going to just be fine. And then it opens all kinds of doors of opportunity. That's
And I said if I didn't go welding, I was going to go with CDL.
You have a family?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Kids?
Yeah.
Good for you. Well, you're the role model. Just fix this, get in the right direction. This is fixable. And, just don't make a mistake like this.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Fix it. Everybody makes mistakes.
Yes, sir.
It's how you deal with your mistakes, how you fix it. That's the test of character. Because everybody on the planet's made a mistake.
Right.
More than once. Okay. Fix it. Okay. We'll see you in about, how much time?
About 4 weeks.
4 weeks. Okay.
Well,
Thank you. Yes, sir. Then we'll have.
I think that's unfair, actually. But the quicker you get them paid back, the quicker they can use the money that was lost, and that you get rewarded for that. 24 CCR 101, the state of Texas versus LaDonna Renee Lewis. And you are here with your attorney, Mr. Nayland, and the state's attorney. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary? In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about November 8th, 2020, is that a three? Yeah, 2023. 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the third-degree felony of misapplication of fiduciary or financial property of an amount more than $30,000, but less than $150,000. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a third-degree felony, you face a term of not more than 10 years or less than 2 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Punishment range. The way we're getting all this changed, when you touch the pad with your hand, it makes marks on it. That's why I have to. I don't know what has happened to all these things. They didn't used to do this, and now they're acting odd. An agreement's been reached.
You're just going, there's restitution, and then we're going to ask you to decide whether straight or deferred in the terms.
Okay. The agreement is she would be placed on probation.
Yes, sir. There's just no blank check that says just probation.
Okay, we need, because the way this reads, there's no consideration moving to make a contract here. It just says restitution, court to determine type of probation. Let's see.
Because one says deferred and one says after conviction placed on probation. There's no one that says court to determine type and length.
All right, I've got, the agreement is
probation to be determined by the court. Restitution will be paid in the amount of $8,966.09. And then under just court to determine time, but it's under non-binding, but that's, let me change that. We're talking about community supervision here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it's up to the judge to decide how many years. Is that what I'm going to do?
It's whether or not it's a deferred or a straight probation and the terms judge.
Okay. So what I think I'm going to do, there's really no non-binding recommendation being made, is there? This is all.
Correct. This is just.
Okay. So I'm going to take the following binding. We'll check out community supervision. Did y'all agree on a term of years on probation, or is that my call?
That's your call.
Oh, okay. I'm going to put up to 10 is what.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is that your understanding of the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement of probation, deferred or regular probation, and order restitution, and this can be up to 10 years in length, it's the court's call, but whatever term of probation the court assesses, it can be shortened to 1/3 if you do well and complete probation. So 10 gets you 3 1/3
Yes, sir.
if you do well. You're going to do well.
Absolutely.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1 here. So you sign that document, understand it, discuss it with your attorney, are the contents true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence.
No objection.
Without objection. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with? The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. Totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All true, so help you God. State's Exhibit 1 is made a part of the record for all purposes. I think we need a pre-sentence report. So everybody can then sound in, and because deferred, regular probation, one's got a conviction, one's not, and it depends on factors and circumstances that
Yes, sir.
I don't know about.
That's right.
Yeah, okay. What we'll do is we're going to order a pre-sentence report. You will touch base with the probation officer here in a minute, and you will come. They will interview you, and they will make a report. We will return back on.
We're gonna tentatively set for September the 26th, Judge.
September 26th.
Is that everything?
Missing your phone?
Yeah. All right, don't draw on
Maybe that chair over there.
That's good.
I called China while you were
Select.
You said September 26th.
Another Friday.
Yeah, I can. I'm not sure. I gotta be in Tampa on this that case that week, but it's the weekend.
So that's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
All right, we will return. Then you will get a copy here, and then all parties can add any additional information you want me to consider, and the court will be fair.
Yes, sir.
And this is all fixable. And look, I'll tell when it comes to restitution, you pay the restitution back, you're going to get rewarded.
Judge, out of what she's taken, she already paid back over $25,000 of the restitution that she
You
owed.
pay it
So the remaining.
complete, and the quicker you do it, the more happy I am about taking care of this, because the people aren't getting interest on it. They've lost, they're not getting interest, which isn't, I think that's unfair, actually. But the quicker you get them paid back, the quicker they can use the money that was lost. And that you get rewarded for that. Okay? Just a little word to the wise, but restitution is a key part of this case. Okay. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.